Presenting their program, Beautiful Day, WGI Sport of the Arts is proud to present Williams Field High School.
Memory can change the shape of a room. It can change the color of an object. And memories can be distorted. They're just an interpretation. They're not a record. I remember when my mother gave me that bicycle. It was bright green. Or was it blue? Why can't I remember? My mom got a new job when I was in high school, and we moved away. I loved my friends, and they were everything to me. How lucky I was to have something that made saying goodbye so hard. They all meant so much to me, especially my best friend. Her name was... her name was... Memory loss is strange. It's like showing up for a movie after it started. I'm sure I missed something. I didn't know if it was important or not. So I do the best I can to lose myself in the story and hope the gaps don't matter.
Williams Field High School from Gilbert, Arizona, under the direction of Bob Edgar, Pam Edgar, Jenny Hudel, Ivan Gonzalez, Danny Barsetti Nerland, and Brian Scheidecker.
I wished for a fairy tale life and it's all gone terribly wrong.
Or terribly right.
That's wicked.
Wicked good.
Disney's Disenchanted, now streaming, only on Disney Plus.
New ride? Yep, we're cruising in style with Verizon Home Internet. Got it for just $25 a month. No hidden fees, no surprise price hikes, just the 100% fiber optic network. That's it. I'm ditching cable.
Switch to Fios. Plans